A small bathroom can quickly feel cluttered when everyday essentials compete for limited space. Towels, toiletries, cleaning supplies, skincare products, and personal items often accumulate faster than most homeowners realize. However, a compact bathroom does not have to feel crowded or disorganized. By embracing minimalist design principles and implementing smart storage strategies, even the smallest bathroom can become functional, visually appealing, and relaxing. Minimalist bathroom storage is not simply about owning fewer things. It is about creating an environment where every item has a purpose and a designated place. With thoughtful planning and creative solutions, small bathrooms can maximize every square inch while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Embracing the minimalist mindset. Before investing in storage products or reorganizing cabinets, it is important to adopt a minimalist approach. The foundation of effective storage begins with reducing unnecessary items. Many bathrooms contain expired cosmetics, half-used products, duplicate toiletries, and rarely used accessories that consume valuable space. Start by sorting through every drawer, shelf, and cabinet. Discard expired products and donate unopened items that are no longer needed. Keep only the essentials that are regularly used. This process instantly creates more room and makes future organization significantly easier. A minimalist bathroom feels lighter and more functional because it prioritizes quality and necessity over quantity. Making use of vertical space. One of the most overlooked opportunities in small bathrooms is vertical storage. While floor space may be limited, walls often offer untapped potential for organization. Floating shelves are an excellent solution. Installed above the toilet, beside the mirror, or near the sink, they provide convenient storage for towels, decorative baskets, and daily essentials without occupying precious floor area. Their clean lines also complement minimalist aesthetics. Wall-mounted cabinets offer another practical option. Slim profile cabinets can store toiletries and medications while maintaining a streamlined appearance. Choosing designs with concealed storage helps preserve a clutter-free look, which is essential in minimalist interiors. Hooks and rails mounted on walls or behind doors can also hold towels, robes, and accessories efficiently. These simple additions reduce the need for bulky storage furniture and keep frequently used items within easy reach. Maximizing under-sink storage. The area beneath the sink often becomes a chaotic collection of bottles, cleaning supplies, and miscellaneous products. Yet with proper organization, this space can become one of the most valuable storage zones in the bathroom. Stackable containers and pull-out organizers help separate items into categories, making them easier to access. Clear storage bins allow users to quickly locate products without digging through cluttered cabinets. For pedestal sinks with limited built-in storage, consider adding a compact storage unit specifically designed to fit around plumbing fixtures. These solutions utilize otherwise wasted space while maintaining a tidy appearance. Keeping under-sink storage organized prevents overcrowding and ensures that every item remains accessible and visible. Choosing multifunctional furniture. In small bathrooms, every piece of furniture should ideally serve more than one purpose. Multifunctional designs maximize efficiency while minimizing visual clutter. A vanity with built-in drawers provides storage while serving as the bathroom's primary sink area. Mirrored cabinets combine storage and reflection in a single fixture, reducing the need for separate furniture pieces. Storage benches, slim rolling carts, and ladder shelves can also provide additional organization without overwhelming the room. Selecting furniture with hidden compartments helps maintain the clean, uncluttered look that defines minimalist design. When shopping for bathroom furniture, prioritize pieces that offer both practicality and simplicity. Avoid overly decorative designs that may visually crowd a small space. Organizing drawers efficiently. Bathroom drawers often become disorganized because small items are frequently tossed inside without a system. Drawer organizers are a simple yet highly effective solution. Dividers allow users to create designated sections for cosmetics, grooming tools, dental products, and personal care items. This arrangement prevents items from shifting around and makes daily routines more efficient. Minimalist organization focuses on accessibility. Every item should be easy to find and easy to return to its proper place. Well-organized drawers reduce visual stress and contribute to a calmer bathroom environment. Regularly reviewing drawer contents also helps prevent unnecessary accumulation and keeps storage systems functioning effectively over time. Utilizing door and corner storage. Doors and corners are often neglected areas that can provide valuable storage opportunities in compact bathrooms. Over-the-door organizers can store hair tools, cleaning supplies, toiletries, or extra towels without consuming additional floor space. Many modern designs are sleek and discreet, making them suitable for minimalist interiors. Corner shelves take advantage of awkward spaces that might otherwise remain unused. Whether installed in the shower or beside the vanity, corner storage helps maximize capacity while preserving openness throughout the room. By incorporating storage into these overlooked areas, homeowners can significantly increase functionality without sacrificing comfort or style. Maintaining visual simplicity. A key principle of minimalist design is reducing visual clutter. Even when storage capacity is sufficient, exposed items can make a small bathroom appear crowded. Using matching containers, baskets, and dispensers creates a cohesive appearance. Neutral colors such as white, beige, gray, and natural wood tones reinforce a sense of calm and spaciousness. Whenever possible, store less attractive items behind closed doors or inside cabinets. Reserve open shelving for carefully selected essentials and decorative accents. A few neatly folded towels, a small plant, or a simple candle can add warmth without creating clutter. Maintaining visual simplicity helps a small bathroom feel larger and more inviting. Creating long-term organization habits. The most effective storage system is one that remains functional over time. Minimalist organization requires regular maintenance to prevent clutter from gradually returning. Establish a habit of reviewing bathroom contents every few months. Remove products that are no longer used and restock essentials thoughtfully rather than purchasing unnecessary duplicates. Adopting a one-in, one-out approach can also help maintain balance. When a new product enters the bathroom, consider removing an older or less useful item. This practice prevents storage areas from becoming overcrowded and supports long-term organization. Ultimately, successful minimalist storage is not about perfection. It is about creating systems that support daily life while maintaining a sense of order and simplicity.